I didn't expect this, you know, and the world didn't expect this. But what we have to do, we have to get together and make ourselves get together and comfortable. You know, because of her death, I've passed off to the world. I stopped smoking for 26 years. And because of this now, I had to wait back to the shop, buy myself a pack of 20 cigarettes. And to, you know, to memorize. I don't worry myself too much over it. But I tell you, it's hard. I said a word, but it's hard to forget Whitney. You know, when I'm doing my laundry, I have Whitney with me. When I'm walking, I have Whitney with me. When I'm eating, I have it. When I'm drinking, I have her with me. I don't know what we're going to make it out. I have to smoke about 20 a day now. You know, about a 20 a pack of smoke a day because she gives me so energetic. She comes like I'm doing exercise. You know, I just can't. And no, daughter, please, don't take it so hard. I take it harder than you still because 26 years of smoking. And I go back on it again. And I start doing a little drinking back again because, you know, I didn't expect this would happen so soon. So, you don't want to take a little taste again, you know what I mean? Because I just can't forget it, man. How me ever forget it? I will never forget them. I thinking about Whitney. Whitney, you passed out, but me can't forget you, girl. Me can't forget you. Me don't smoke 26 years. I have to keep repeating it. 26 years. And because of your past up, I have to pick it up back. Smoking at 20 nowadays. Oh, Whitney, come back. Lord, rise her up for us. Please, Lord, rise her up. Rise her up. Whitney, girl, your memory stands for the world. And it takes a long time for us to forgotten you. Alright. What I'm going to say again to the world. Our song is so touching. She has so many songs, you know, it's even sad. She made you come good and feel lively, you understand? And may I tell you, Jamaican and the world. Me say, me know what never do your. Me go buy one t-shirt, you know. But we make mistake and go buy come out with t-shirt. What they come out with bolts and cassava. I make a mistake. Should I buy a black one? But me go buy the athlete one. Then they come out with one with cassava and bolt. You know, but I should have bought a black t-shirt. You know, because of the Saturday, I get so contrary, I get confused. Can you imagine the world? I have let smoke for 26 years. And because of this death, I pick it up back and because I'm drinking again. Can you imagine how am I going to work it out? You answer me, the world. I am saying this. I don't know what is your opinion, but we know my opinion. You understand? Me again as it is. I want to go on to Jamaica. Me say, me can't believe it. I'm not grieving the Father's spirit, but we didn't know what is going to happen. Whitney, when I look at your pictures, your video, oh my God, I went in my dress and I look at it and I said, what a beautiful girl Whitney is. Well, Whitney, you are the queen of the pop, and you shall ever be the queen of the pop, and we will ever pop with you until our time comes. We pop. What me say? I saw me and said it. Let me draw my cigarette and we talk again. Whitney, I've got to go drink, girl. So, I'm going to tell you this. Your song shall bring back memories to me. And I tell you, your song way cool now, you know. But as I heard on the air, your time is coming up on the 18th. Well, girl, I don't know if I'm going to live to see the 18th. Because when that day comes, maybe I drop down. But I am taking a strong drink again. I'm having like a champagne, you know, the world. I don't know nobody of the world, I don't know nobody, but we in Jamaica have a little champagne out there, a little white rum. and we eating our little jerk pork with no pepper and the wacky and saltfish because we miss her a lot. Because all the stars when they come to Jamaica, that's what they first get out here. Ackee and saltfish, yellow yam, and they get run down, and they have the nice beaches, and all of that down here. So, you know, we have to cheer up. We got to cheer up. But take a little time to cheer us up. Can you imagine 26 years and going back and smoking a pack of 20 a day now and going back and drinking champagne? Can you imagine that? This is Granny Guinness, you know. And I take a little Guinness sometimes because she died now. You know what I do now? I drink the Guinness. I drank it. I drank all 3 for the day. I used to drink all 6, but I don't go to the 6 yet. When she buried, I might drink the 6. You know? And I tell you, remedy you, lick out the Guinness them boy, because lick out the Guinness and the rum, because it's going to be a big celebration in Jamaica for her. White rum, Guinness, red stripe, water, Canberry. Can you imagine? My God, girl. Whitney daughter, this is the grandma talking to you. My son has passed off, and I bear it up. So, girl, take it easy. Take it easy. One day you will come up and get married, and don't worry yourself. And do it professionally. And Whitney husband, I don't know much about you, but I knew a lot about her. Our song, I equate with her song a lot. I don't know about your husband, but I equate with her song. Our song put me in enough movement. It gave me exercise movement. It gave me energy to eat. It gave me energy to wear clothes. It gave me energy to comb my hair and make myself properly. And to have manners to people and to share my bread with people. Whitney, you have done a lot to me. If I have a $20 and somebody asks me, can you give me a little thing? I say, I beg too much. But when I remember Whitney, I say, you know what? See, $10, yeah, take out time. You see, Whitney, you have done a lot. Girl, you are more than a souvenir. You are more than a souvenir. Queen of our pop. Boy, I tell you, girl, I tell you. You are just great like our greatest Bob Marley. You're great. Your funeral shall be outstanding and wonderful. I certainly can't come up abroad, you know. You know, if I didn't freely play, maybe I would get that trip to come up there, but I freely play. But don't worry yourself. We are here. We are here. We are dancing. We are singing. We are videoing. We are doing everything. We are sweeping up. We are painting up. You know, everything. I can't explain everything on this now. But girl, it is a great moment. And a sad moment. When I say a great moment, not for the past stuff, you know. A great moment for who you teach. A lot of dancing, a lot of singing. And a lot of things. What we get out of you. Can you imagine? You make us cashier or bread. And because of your past stuff now, I had to sew it back again. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whitney, we miss you. Your presence is with us. Don't worry yourself, girl. You know, and I don't know, but he knows who gives you the strength and the energy. I thank you. And Jamaican, let us sing Eternal Father, bless your land for Whitney. And American flag will raise high for you every time. Bless you, Whitney. We love you. And I will never stop smoke until you come and dream me. Bye, Whitney. Oh, tears come to my eyes. I can't keep it up anymore. I break down. I don't want no more dreams. I don't want that damn cigarette. I don't want it again. Because of it. Dash it away. Put it in the garbage with me. Bye. I'm going to get it talking. Oh my God, I'm not to break up this damn thing. Break it up and throw it away. Throw it away. Get out there. I don't want to see it no more. I want to see. I don't want you no more cigarette. I don't want you no more room. I don't want you no nothing at all. I want you with me. Get away. Get away.